What is going on, guys? This is our bug hunting program for video games. It's a Python project you can do for absolute beginners. It's for advanced too. It's meant to be developed, improved, and upgraded and modified. It's hardware ready. Bug hunting program. Here's the code for it. Pause the video and copy the code. This is a Python project you can do. This is the first bug. Press A. It will press A 5 times in a row for you without pressing anything else. That's the first one. Press A. It will then press another key right after, immediately after. It's pretty much as fast as you can. Here's the hash. I press A, then it presses it 5 times in a row. Oh wait, guys, I don't know. Here's the hash though. It's the same. It does what it says. Five times in a row. Yeah, I'm right. So this one is for pressing A and then it prints it 5 times in a row for you. And then you press A again right here. And then it presses A and then B for you. That's the hash. That's our bug hunting program. For video games. They represent controller button presses. If you're on PC, it represents keyboard and mouse presses. That's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time.